Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Expedia Booking Platform Review, a comprehensive look at features and benefits. Today, we're diving into a review of the Expedia Booking Platform, a leading name in the travel industry. Expedia offers a comprehensive, all-in-one solution for planning and managing trips, catering to a diverse audience. Whether you're a solo adventurer embarking on a thrilling expedition, a family planning a memorable vacation, or a business traveler arranging a crucial trip, Expedia has you covered. Expedia provides a wide array of travel options, from flights and hotels to car rentals, complete vacation packages, and even exciting activities at your chosen destination. One of its most compelling features is the bundling capability, allowing you to combine flights, hotels, and car rentals into a single package, often resulting in significant cost savings. This makes Expedia an especially attractive option for budget-conscious travelers. Searching for the perfect travel arrangements is made easy with Expedia's user-friendly interface and customizable filters. Refine your search based on price, star ratings, property types, amenities, and more, ensuring you find precisely what you need. The Expedia Rewards program is another valuable perk, offering points for every booking that can be redeemed for discounts on future travel. Frequent travelers will particularly appreciate this loyalty program for its simplicity and tangible rewards. Beyond the rewards program, Expedia frequently offers exclusive deals and enticing last-minute offers, perfect for those who enjoy spontaneous getaways. With support for multiple languages and currencies, Expedia ensures accessibility for a global audience. The Expedia mobile app is a significant advantage, providing real-time updates, convenient access to your itineraries, and the ability to manage bookings on the go. For added peace of mind, Expedia provides robust 24/7 customer support via chat, email, and phone. Transparency in pricing and access to reliable guest reviews are further strengths. Book with confidence knowing there are no hidden fees and that you can rely on the feedback from verified travelers. In conclusion, Expedia is a versatile and powerful platform tailored for travelers who value simplicity, savings, and convenience. Whether you're planning a short weekend getaway or an extensive multi-leg international trip, Expedia streamlines the entire booking process. Check out the links in the description to explore Expedia's features and begin planning your next adventure today.